How to change Miniclip ID and password in 8-ball pool. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to change your ID and password specifically on the 8-ball pool game. Now it's better if doing this via your browser. It does not matter actually if you're using your mobile device or your PC. So head straight into Miniclip's official website, and what you want to do next is to scroll all the way down and then click this option here that says My Account. Now you're gonna have to log in to a specific account where you've used to play with 8-ball pool. Next thing you want to do is go into account details, and the next is change password. Input your new password, confirm, and execute the change. For account ID change, just go into my account and you should be able to change it right there. And that's basically it. That's how you change your Miniclip account ID and password on 8-ball pool.